Hello grade 1, in this video we're going to read our story of lesson 5, Gus Takes the Train. Let's first read the words together. Number 1, many, many. Look at the pictures. Can you see few cars or many cars? There are many cars on the street, so many means a lot. Number 2, friend, friend. She likes to ride the bus with her friend. So a friend is your pal or your buddy, friend. Think about your friends in the school. Who is your friend? Fool, fool. Look at the train. If you find a train like that, can you go inside? No, because the train is full of people. So full means like there is no other space, full. When you eat a lot, you say, my stomach is full because I ate a lot. Number 4, pull. What does the boy do with the dog? He pulls the wagon. Pull the wagon. 5, hold. Can you see what is she holding in her hands? Yes, she can hold her phone in her hand. Hold. Good. The ferry is a good way to see the city. Good. Good means nice. Good. Let's start to read our story. Gus has to run to get the train. He has a big bag to pull. Who can you see in the picture? This is Gus. He is a cat. And what does he do in the picture? He pulls a bag, yes. And where is he going? He's going to take the train. Run, Gus, run. Run, Gus, run. There is no other time. He must catch the train. Who helped him to pull his bag? The conductor. Yes, the conductor is the person who collects the tickets on the train. Gus cannot pull up his bag. The conductor can help him. The train is full. Full means there are no seats. There are many boys and girls and animals. There are no seats left for Gus. The train is full. Gus can see many kids. Many kids. Many means a lot. Gus can see many kids. Gus sat. His big bag can go up here. So, did Gus sit in the train? Yes, he finally found a seat. Let's read again. Gus sat. His big bag can go up here. Gus met a friend. Who is his friend? Pig and Gus sing and play. So his friend's name, her name is Pig. What do they do on the train? They sing and play. Pig can hold the cups for Gus. They are too full. Pig and Gus have a sip. It's good. Gus can see a lot. A funny bug is on the window. We are here. Gus had fun on the train. Where did they go in the end? Yes, they went to the zoo. Very nice. Thank you so much, grade 1, for listening.